In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Android adaptive app icon. Like with the iOS app icon, you have to click on App Design here and then directly jump to the Android section into the basic settings. And here you'll find the adaptive app icons. An adaptive app icon consists of a foreground app icon, mostly a transparent PNG, where only your logo or your font is displayed, and a background image, which is mostly your background color. So let's check how my logo looks like. So I will choose the foreground PNG here, and this is my text. And for the background PNG, I'm choosing the blue background here. So after doing this, again, like with the other app icon for iOS, I have to click on Save to make the changes final. And if you want to check this in your app, please make sure to click on Build a new preview app so that the changes will be available in the next app build.